We swaggin'. Alright, while we wait for this guy to charge, I'm going to do a review of the Velo bike lock. I got this from Amazon. I'll move the Swagcycle out the way for a second. Alright, I got this from Amazon. Alright, first impressions, heavy. That's good, it's heavy. Alright, let's open it up. Open it up. Alright, so it got a U-lock and it got a chain lock too. Alright. Alright, so this is to mount it, and then you can attach it like that. Somehow. You can attach it, oh, like that. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's get this cut up. Alright. So what we got here? We got this lock. Got a key. Where does the key go? Key goes in the bottom. Put it in, it unlocks. Alright. Okay, this is flexible. Okay, rotate it to the outside. Put both pegs in. And it works. Alright, so we do this bracket. Okay, but the real question. Whoa. You alright, Swagcycle? Oh, you have the cable, that's why. Alright, the real question is, can it fit on the Swagcycle? Can it fit on the Swagcycle? That is the real question. Okay, that is tight. Tight, tight, tight. Oh, there we go. You got a lock on it, man. Or we can even have it like that, if we wanted to. Nice. Great, so we got the lock on there. Great. Good review. Fits on Swagcycle. 10 out of 10. For anti-theft, I don't know. We'll see. But what we could do when we lock it up is bring it through the frame. You'll need an Allen key to steal the seat. So I don't think anyone will steal the seat. Literally just lock it up there. Maybe lock it once through a wheel. I don't even need to. Alright? Or maybe just use the U-lock and use the cable for something else. You know? Use the cable for something else. It can go through itself, so you can, I don't know, lock something else to it. Pretty much all you need for this is the U-lock. Oh god, how do you do this? Oh god, did I break it? Oh. Oh, okay. There's a release in there. Oh. I thought I broke it. Oh my goodness. I thought I broke it on the first try, man. Okay, so there's a release right there. And it won't let you do it until you press it. Alright, cool, man. That's a cool feature. Alright, definitely 10 out of 10 because it didn't break when I tried to force it. And you get a little number key too. I don't know what this is for. But yeah. Swag! Keep on swagging, man. This is, what is this? Velo. White lock. Pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna wait 5 hours for this to charge. And then we'll see what's up then. Alright, deuces.